welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I haven't done a makeup tutorial for a while, so I'm super excited to do this. It is a really fun summer look, as you guys can tell. It is very glowy. I have a pop of yellow in here. I tried to really do the summer vibes. This is a makeup look that I've been doing. Well, not the yellow. This is the first time I've ever tried it, but like this whole like golden, glowy, not a lot of like smoky eyeshadow is a look that I've been doing. I haven't really been like that into like super smoky eyes. I mean, I'll always love smoky eyes, but I haven't really been doing it just because it's been really hot and I've just been going to a lot of outside daytime things, so I've been keeping the lid light and I still like smoke at the bottom and I have a lot of mascara and stuff like that. So this is my version of a light makeup look. A lot of things that I try today are brand new products that I've never tried before, and it's like the first time I'm trying them on camera. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel already, please click on the subscribe button below and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. But without further ado, let's get started on this summer glow makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to be using the Balm Priming is Everything primer, and this one is really cool. It's just literally in this palette, and I just use my fingers. And I'm going to put this nude color all over my eyes. And then I'm going to take this cute eyeshadow palette from ColourPop called Honey. And then I'm going to take the color Buzzkill. And then I'm going to put the color all over my eye. So cute. I really love this like taupey camel color. And then I'm going to take the Kaja Beauty Bento Box eyeshadow stack in Toasted Caramel. I used this yesterday and really loved it. And then I'm gonna use the third color down and tap it in the outer corner to create a brown shimmery lid. So current situation, a taupey camel brown eye, like a toasted look with a shimmery gold outer corner. Then I'm going to take Artist Couture Golden Hour. Take a flat brush. Wow. So obsessed. Okay, so now I'm going to actually move on to my skin. I'm going to be using the Hangover Good in Bed Hydrating Serum for my face. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I've been wanting to use this. I like got like a summer package and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to use this. And then on top of that, I'm going to be actually using the Hangover RX Skin Moisturizer Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25. And then I'm going to use an eye cream that I've been using all the time. This is the Tatcha Revitalizing Eye Cream. And then I'm going to be trying this foundation. This is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation with SPF 50. So it's called a full coverage protective makeup sunscreen. So we're going to try this. It comes in a tube. The color that I'm using is Warm Nude. And I want to say it's pretty light. Like it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like a foundation, but it's covering pretty good. I wouldn't say it's like thick, because one thing I really love about Maybelline foundations like the Fit Me is that it's like a dewy matte. So I'm really loving it. I'm just an extra person, so I'm gonna put like a lot more. I feel like that's just how I do my makeup. I'm trying not to get it in my hair. It's so hard all the time. So I actually like this foundation, and if you're not like a makeup person, like if you're like, oh my god, there's just so many steps and there's primers and there's moisturizers and sunscreen, everything, I definitely recommend this because it's easy. It's a tube. You can literally just like put it on your face with the tube, and it's just like light and easy, and it does give you a full coverage, but it has like a dewy finish. It doesn't look like matte crazy or like thick, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna add on some concealers. I'm gonna be using this Nars mini one, available now and brand new. I like a cakey look, so I like to add a lot of concealer. These are so cute and mini size. I'm actually going to a wedding this weekend, Gigi's wedding actually, and I'm gonna try to bring a makeup bag that's not too big, maybe just like some of my new faves, but I'll probably end up bringing a big makeup bag because that's just how I am. So I'm gonna just blend that concealer in. I'm gonna see more of how we like it after this concealer. Love it. Overall, I love the foundation. With the concealer, I feel like it's just like blended in better. Some areas I feel like I need more coverage, so I love how the foundation looks, and I have to get used to it, and obviously I have to put brows on and eyeliner and everything, but I like it. Now onto the brows. I'm going to be using a Benefit's Highbrow to highlight under my brows. And then I'm going to be filling in my brows with Precisely My Brow number 4. Oh my gosh, I love my brows. I haven't gotten my brows done for like such a long time, but that Precisely My Brow is so good. It literally makes my brows look snap. So I'm going to do my eyeliner. Oh my gosh, so I forgot to press record, but I've been really into this Urban Decay waterproof fine point eye pen, and I've been using this eyeliner a lot. I love it. So today I'm going to be using these new eyelashes that I just got from Red Admiral, and they are 3D mink lashes, and they actually come 4 pairs in a pack for $15 on Amazon. So definitely check out the link below. I linked them below. They're super lightweight and super glam, and you can wear them 15 to 20 times. I love it. And then I'm going to fill in my bottom lash line. I'm going to be using MAC Graph Black. This is the Aladdin collaboration. Love it. Even though my makeup like on top was light, I wanted to smoke out the bottom so bad. So I'm gonna go back into the ColourPop palette, and I'm gonna take the Color Buzzkill again with this flat brush, and I'm gonna go in the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take another Bento Box Kaja Beauty stack, super cute, and I'm gonna take the bottom color. This is the Chocolate Dahlia stack. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna take that flat brush again, and I'm going to go in the bottom lash line on the outer corner. And you know what I forgot to do, because I was so excited about the foundation, is I forgot to set my under eyes. So I'm going to take Lawless Classic Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes. I don't really bake so much anyways, so it's okay. Now I'm going to take this flat little ColourPop brush, and I'm going to go back into this palette, and then I'm going to take this bright yellow Sweet Spot. And it's just so cute. Oh my god, obsessed. I wanted to be really careful about this. This is so cute, you guys. No wonder people have been doing this. So in Japan, it's been a trend to put white right here for a long time. There is a group of girls in Japan called kogyaru or gyaru or ganguro. There's like so many different ways to call these group of girls, and they always put white eyeshadow under their eyes, and I love the look, and I feel like this kind of reminds me of that look, so I'm really obsessed with it. I love it. Let me bronze my face and do everything else. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever HD concealer in the color 50. And I'll straighten it here. I just put like a tiny bit of the bronzing concealer. Okay, and then I'm going to be using this Milani Cosmetics Suntan Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. I love this bronzer so much. It's amazing. Milani has great products for a low price. So I'm going to bronze my face up and put it over the concealer I just used. And this bronzer, I just go in because it's not too dark. It's like the perfect color to just kind of like build up, if you know what I mean. And then you could just keep adding and adding and adding. So I'm going to take this Bare Minerals Cool Beige number 10 Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder. Cool tone. I'm just going to try it out. They sent it to me. I think they like picked my color. So I actually use this Pecan 18 more. But I mean, this Cool Beige is a new color. I'm gonna grab a new blush that I found in my PR, and I'm just so grateful that I get all of this makeup. Honestly, it's like such a dream come true. It's crazy because I would literally save all my money to buy, like I couldn't even afford this before, you know? So this is the Nars Motu Tapu palette. Look how cute it is. And I'm gonna take the middle orange color and I'm gonna tap it into the apples on my cheeks. So we have like an orangey, yellowy look. I love it. And to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Prisma Glow Highlighter. And this is Kristen Dominique's brand. If you guys have never heard of them, they're amazing. I've been using her highlighter palette, and I actually didn't use it in a tutorial, so I was like, oh my gosh, it's perfect. I'm going to take a highlighter brush, and I'm going to take Golden Hour. And I'm going to highlight. Cheeks. It's so good. Like, look at that. I mean, I was gonna do a light makeup look, but it just doesn't happen with all this makeup. You know what I mean? Like, I'm glowing. I put on my nose too a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to do the bottom mascara, and then we'll do the lips. So I'm gonna actually try this Lancome Cils Booster, C-I-L-S Booster, and it's a white mascara. It's like a base. When I used to buy makeup in Japan, I used to use this. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna like probably zoom this in really close to my eyes so you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, it's bomb. It's literally getting on all my lashes. And Lancome was my very first high-end mascara, guys. So I'm going to be using this Lancome Grandiose Extreme. I've been using this mascara a lot. Hypnose was like one of my favorites. Definicels, I think that's what it's called. L'Extreme was like, I think one of my first. I like to always clean it up a little bit, but I always end up getting it on my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go back into, and I'm gonna take that color right here, go over a little bit of the, it really does help though, having bottom lashes or bottom mascara, because I feel like it opens up the eyes. So I'm gonna be moisturizing my lips with this cute lip moisturizer called Hidden Pleasure from Nars. It's so cute. From the Nars Orgasm collection, there's a lip balm just like this, and I use it every day. Like, I put it on all the time. And it's so cute because it looks like a lipstick, like the packaging and everything, but it's a lip balm. I feel so glam using it even if I have no makeup on and I just like put it on because it looks like a lipstick, you know? So I'm going to be using this new Taha Satin Lip Pencil from Nars as well. These are all brand new products. Super cute. I actually want to darken it a little bit, so I'm going to go over it with Raya T Satin Lip Pencil from Nars. It like feels so good doing my lip liner because it's so soft. Over this, I'm going to be using Hourglass Cosmetics Unreal Lip Gloss in the color Child. That really cutesied it up, you know? I think I want some shimmer. And then I'm going to be adding Artist Couture Climax Lip Gloss in the middle. So I'm all done with my makeup. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Crystal Clarity Primer Water. This is the Hood Witch collection. They had this whole cute collection that was like all about like aura and like crystals and cleansing and stuff like that. I thought it was so cute. But this one is the Crystal Clarity one. It smells like lavender and sweet orange. I'm all about that life. I do yoga every day and I just love it. So that's my makeup. I'm going to change really quick, but I'm obsessed with this look. Alright guys, so that's it for my summer glow makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. I really, really love it. I'm having so much fun with this look. I already took selfie videos outside on the balcony and I love it. I'm actually running late to an event, so I gotta go. But I hope you guys like this, and if you guys tried out at home, let me know. If you guys tried this look at home, tag me on your socials, like on Instagram. It's at Arika now, and then I have Twitter, and obviously leave me a comment below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.